Good morning, friend. I am Neeraj Kumar Dinkar. Today we are going to discuss about the health safety responsibility by the employers. This topic is very important. If you have working an organization as a safety manager position and as a safety professional, so you should know that what is responsibility related the health and occupational health safety system by the employer. So guys, this is important for all us to know that responsibility of employer, because if you are not aware about these things, that can be very difficult to analysis and difficult to proactively make a good environment health safety culture in an organization. First, you should know that at use of work method statements. If a use of safe work system in an organization to responsible by the employers. Safe working system. We should know that safe safe place work and safe plant and equipments in an organization. If you have a safety professional, you should know that employer responsibility to safe working place, maintain good safety cultures at a project at the project, and well equipments and plant maintained in an by an organizations by an employers. So guys, this is first things. Second thing, use of method procedures of work where we can minimize the risk, minimize the hazards and risk at the workplace by the HERA, JSA, work method statements, other things which are procedures developed by the organizations. Third thing is there mentioned adequate trainings to workers, employer and visitors and interested party, and which an interested party with the organizations. Effective safety training should be provided by the audio visuals, and motivations like motivations programs also included, because of trainings is not enough to improvement health safety by the workers. So guys, need to be focus the attitude, focus the negative behaviors and positive behavior, which workers going to proactively safe work method to work established in an organization, that should be motivated by the some gift, by the some awards. Second thing there mentions is organization should be responsible to provide personal protective equipments, and which are to save the health environment at your workplace by free of cost to provided all entire workers, employers and others area. Because of this is a responsibility by the employer to provide free of cost safety gears and safety mandatory requirement for protections of human life at your workplace. Second thing they are mentioned, ensure that organization difficulty, particularly with the respect the threat, does not advert occupational health safety management system. To second, next point is there, employer should be responsible and employer should be provided safe working cultures, because means eliminate the physical harassments, physical excessive physical and mental and fatigue. Like that many employers build up the 10 floor height buildings, 20 floors side building without passenger lift, because of this is a physical or mental and fatigue of workers, because of they are going to talk on foot, means they are going to manually and up and down in 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So worker will so guys, employers should be considered about the workers fatigue at workplace, because of this is an important part of workers health safety to manage at the workplace by the organization. After that, we have discussed collaborations with others organizations, well coordinations to others organizations for improvement of better health safety purpose at your workplace. Because of this is a important of us, if you are going to done activities, some learn to others organization. Some organizations develop more and more safety cultures, then you can learn and well collaborations with clients and others, new visitors and others thing which are interested to your party. So this is a responsibility by the employer. After that, take measures facility to employer, means welfare facility, means if you know that workers working in or organizations and stay in labor camp, then conventions and conveniences of workers which are needs and expectations by workers, like the toilets, like the drinking water facility, urinal facility, first aid facility, and good accommodations like rooms with electric systems. Everything need and expectation of workers which are follow the others organization and standardized by the rule and regulation and legislations. So that you know that I also read the book BOCW Act, Factory Act, Mines Act. There is lot of books are there for better safety improvement purpose. ILO also standard, the ISO 45001. These are all standards followed by the employers at the workplace. Verify implementations applicable health safety standards. If you are going to standardize your organizations, then proactively monitor and implement and focus the applicable requirements at workplace. If you have established some new standard in your organization, then employers should be focus the performance which are any gap or not. So this is responsibility to work employers. Keep health and safety working environments records, like the lagging indicator, lagging indicators, leading indicators like safety toolbox stocks, means leading indicator, safety EMT, safety toolbox stocks, trainings, observations, all are which are following your organization. After the lagging indicators, means near miss, first aid incidents, others, all safety related data should be recorded and performance evaluate where is the gap. This is also responsibility by the employers. The employer having regards as nature of activity, size of organizations. Employers to responsible to size of organizations, make a proper environment health safety management system, make a proper framework of health safety in an organizations. Because of this is a fact to maintain and establish boundary like the health safety management system in our organization. Make a provision availability occupational health safety management system like safety officers required resources which are needs to be provided, if possible to safety experts should be appointment, all things all safety related resources should be provided. Also consider the emergency, if in case of emergency preparedness response teams like ambulance should be provided, ambulance drivers and first aid box, first aiders, first aid facility, a megaphone, others things which are resource to situation handle related the emergency and at the project. So these all are responsible by the employer to focusing and enforcing the health safety management systems and distribute and take over all responsibility to entire staff, senior management, junior management, top level managements, middle level, lower levels. All are responsibility given to proactively maintain health safety management system in an organizations and make a proper health safety policy with respect to safety and eliminate the hazards in new technology, add the some new technology, how to how to minimize the ill health, how to learn and grow the your organizations with respect to health and safety. So make a safety policy strongly improvements for safety health cultures, and also 1 month, 2 month, 3 months targets should be identified, and how to achievements implementations related the health safety targets means on objectives and target implementations, how to achievements, what are gap, what are the next target every 3 months and 6 months and yearly basis. Make a target for improving health safety cultures. These all our responsibility to employer focusing related the occupational health safety system at the workplace. Thanks guys, thanks for watching my video. Thanks.